very happy with this kind of project of having different cultures meeting each other here. Now we are in Romania, and we have met all the persons from Portugal, Italy, Romania, and Slovenia, and I think we can always learn something with each other. I think that's the best. Not the technology, not the ways of teaching, but from learning from each other. I think that's the most important. These 2 days, it has been a good experience for me and for the whole project, that I understand that all the partners, they are working hard to achieve the targets. And that's what I'm really happy with. We will have a good meeting there, and of course I'm of course waiting for the targets to be achieved when we meet in Portugal. So we have the MOOC, we have the book, we have all the targets what we have planned. They are ready, and I'm waiting for that. In this kind of a project, you have to adapt your national standards. You know, in Finland we are very far away in having computers and iPads, everything in use, but maybe some other countries it's not so usual. But we go there, and I'm very happy to give you a small lesson of using iPads and things like that in education. And the education means growing up.